Okay guys, this time on Lime with Ling, I'm going to show you guys how to make Trinidadian style hops, which is a kind of bread. So if you don't know, now you know. So follow along. Okay, let's get this thing going quick so we can get eating our bread in about 20 minutes. So follow along. Cup thing here, this is a third of a cup. So we're going to get 3 of these to make a cup. Yeah, what we're going to do is sift it into a large mixing bowl, and we get all the other ingredients together, and let's get started. A very simple recipe that I'm making here today, only a couple of ingredients, so let us start and get this done quick. So now what we want to do is mix all the dry ingredients together, which is salt, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Okay, and when you mix all your dry ingredients together, you want to make sure you add your yeast as well. And this is going to be 2 tablespoons. Alright, now that's done, you want to add the milk and the butter. So it's 1.5 cups of milk, lukewarm milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Let the dough rust for 20 or to 30 minutes, double in size. We are now going to cut it up and make our balls so that we can start to bake it. Alright, let's go. Okay, so what you want to do is take out the dough from the stainless steel container. Get on a cutting board, or you can just cut it right here on top of the counter as we had sanitized it, as you know. Cut this in half, use a knife. Alright, and take half back in the bowl, and now we're gonna just squeeze it together and divide this bad boy into how many hops we want. Okay, so we got 4. Now we gotta get a baking tray, roll it on. Let's make sure our hands have a little bit of oil on it. Put the dough into your hand and just start to make a ball out of it. Okay, now at the back here, you'll see that it's not fully closed. So you just want to go ahead and pinch it together. So back in front, make it a ball. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Put that in there again. Turn, pinch the back. And a next one. Again, same thing. Intervals, pinch the back. Alright, we're looking good. It's a really simple and easy recipe, and you'll be enjoying some fresh bread within 30 to 40 minutes. Now you just want to make sure you preset your oven to 350, and make sure you wait for it to beep, because if it doesn't beep, now warm enough to cook yet.
A few moments later.
Thank you very much for watching this episode of Line with Ling, and I cannot wait to cook the next meal for you guys. So, like I said, this was recommended by TL Don. So I appreciate you guys very much, and if you want to see more videos, just go ahead and tag a description below what you want me to make, and I'll make it for you guys. See you next time with Line with Ling.